Greetings from Winterland, Norway. Chamber music has been, for 50 years now, used as an essential method of teaching at Trondheim Kulturskole, or Trondheim Municipality School of Performing Arts. Chamber music has proved to be a wonderful tool in developing young string players into high professional standards. Children sign up for chamber music from the age of 9, approximately, for weekly lessons with their string quartets, piano trios, or other suitable ensembles. This is a great supplement to their individual lesson and training in orchestra. At the ESTA conference in Porto, we will make a presentation of our chamber music program here in Trondheim, sharing some of our experiences after teaching chamber music over many years. Many of our young string players have proceeded into music studies at various universities and onto a professional life in music. Some are now in leading positions in various internationally acclaimed chamber ensembles, as well as in orchestras in Norway and abroad. Some make sparkling careers in other professions. One of my viola students became the first helicopter pilot on the planet Mars, operating drones for NASA. As teachers, we are proud to have given them a flying start through early exposure in the wonders and mysteries of classical chamber music. My name is Sven Lyngstad, and I look forward to seeing you in Porto come the end of March.